Hello guys, welcome back to our channel ChandraAwesome. From this video, we are going to start with another new CAD software that is Fusion 360. This is not new, but we are going to learn newly from these videos. Okay, uh, as we are completely successfully from the on-chip CAD software with every tool for some, and I'm going to give in updating the videos about the new updated tools and on-chip CAD software as well. As you can see, my videos are uploaded the several designs for that. But from now onwards, I'm going to focus on Fusion 360. And I researched from it. I was working with the Fusion 360 product. I also searched for a YouTube channel. So many of you have several tutorials. The way I'm doing from the beginning is every tutorial do not have the every single tool explanation. So this from our channel, we are going to learn every tool individually and how to work with it, just like how I explained in OnShare. Okay, let's jump into the video and the content of the video. Okay, this is the Fusion 360 software, guys. And first of all, you need to install this. If you want to install this software, you just go into the Autodesk website and give your student entity, and you can get the education license and you can download them. See, I am also using the education license software. It is free and no need to put any money. Okay, so first of all, let's understand the interface for now. And one more thing, if you have any troubles regarding the installation and thing, you can check out the YouTube. So if you are not comfortable with them, you can contact me or comment in the comment box. I will give you the answers. Okay, let's understand the interface. And after opening your case, after installation, after opening the system, this is the interface you are going to see. So I'm not going to explain every individual tool. I will explain only when we need only. Okay, so I'm just going to explain the present interface here. Okay, here we have the first goal is the this is the data panel. That's how it shows. This is the files that are how to open new libraries, how new drawing you want to upload. Several things you can do it for 3D printing. These are the things that are available. You can also take a screenshot. Okay, and this is the for saving. This is for undo tools, redo tools, and this home. And this is the tab. This is the like a how we have the first studio tabs and assembly. Like this is the single tab. Okay, so in the tab we have 5 things. That is about in this you can see design, generative design, render, animation, simulation, manufacturing, and drawing. The design means we are going to design what we want, like a parts or assemblies that we are going to design in these categories. And the generative design, it is different from, but I will explain in the upcoming tutorials. Just I am going to explain only the design. Okay, so these are the design interface, guys. In this also we have solid, surface, mesh, sheet metal, plastic, and utilities. So the differences between them is solid means we are going to work with a solid design solely. Surface means we are going to work with the surface designs. Mesh, you want to know how to work with a mesh. Mesh means working without triangles. Okay, sheet metal, you also might know how to work with the sheet metal. It is different from solid. And plastic, this is the extra one we are going to learn from new category in Fusion 360, because we know solid, surface, mesh, sheet metal, but we didn't know about how to work with the plastic. Maybe there is some advanced tools available there inside this, like I see the bows, these extra tools available in this plastic. The future tutorials we're going to learn. And utilities like just like analysis, how we are going to analyze the design, how to design it, like if the parts are getting intersect like this. You already seen in a few example, it will shows the other parts are collide with each other or in corresponding like this. That is the use of this. I'll explain in detail, don't worry about that. Let's just come into the solid intersection. And this is the browser, this is the data panel, just like the top sketches, parts. Here we call bodies. We call parts of the bodies. Okay, and this is the origin. We have the planes and axes and point, and this is the views. Okay, here you can also use this one, and you can also change the document settings like a dimensions, which dimensions you want. Once these are in mm, if you want to inch it, turn into inches, you can do it. Okay, and here you can see, and this is the um, recording panel. It is going to record your design from starting to end. Okay, you can check it, and this is the tools which we want to move the interface like a pie and rotate, and you can also change the display settings and grips if you want to keep as the grid or not, like just like this. If you want to do or not, you can add this. Okay, and these are the viewports and view section like this. It will show the all set of views at the same time. Okay, now let's for today just learn about how to work with the sketch tools. Nothing more. Okay, and for the beginning side, you must be get started with the grid. Then only you feel comfortable with it. Okay, and don't worry about the colors. So guys, this display thing you can change like this. Okay, I'm just removing the code. You can also click from Photoshop. It gives you white interface. Okay, that is the reference here. Now let's work with the only sketch tools. Okay, for sketch tools you want to click on the create sketch button, and it will show the planes. So you can select which plane you want to start with. Just like this plane is uh, this plane is left plane, this is front plane, and this is bottom plane. As you can see the reference right here. Okay, so this is the front plane which we work with. So I'm going to work with the front plane. Now we get the front plane. Now we have several tools just like how we use users. This is the line tool. Like if you want to add lines, like this you can work. As if you want to draw axis, you can even change the grid view also according to your position. Start to your wish, or else you can do the undo options. Okay, like this you can do. See, like this you can also draw the earth, like how we use the dimensions automatically shows like this. Okay, this is what drawing the lines. Okay, and this is the rectangle, 2-point rectangle. That is, we know how to do 2-point rectangle, which means we are going to use 2 points to draw a rectangle. Okay, and this is the circle. You know how to circle. You can just, it is a diameter red circle, not the radius one. You just need to give the red dimensions. Okay, so as you see the circle, and this is the spline. This is the spline tool where you can draw the irregular curves. And after, if you want to end, just have to click, and here you can see just like tangent lines is forming. That is for guys, this is for rotating the changing the tangent curve shapes, just like how we did in the shape. For every point there will be a shape. It will show like this. Okay, you can do the both spline operations that in one spline tool only. There you can use, and this is the mirror tool. Just like here we need to work with the pop-up window will come, so we need to select objects and select the mirror line also. Like for example, you can deselect the, let me select this curve, and now let me select this multiply, and you see now we got the curvature. In this way you can do the mirror operations, and we have several other tools also, not only this 5 guys. This you can see the create button, right? Click on boards, and this is the line. This is a rectangle. You can see you have 2-point rectangle, 3-point rectangle, rectangle. You already know how to work. And in the circle we have center diameter circle, 2-point circle, 3-point tangent circle, and 3-point tangent circle. an arc, 3-point arc, center arc, tangent arc, which we already know. Polygon, center edge polygon. Just you need to just like an edge, just like means we know about the inscribed polygons. But here you can also draw the edge polygons. Okay, into the first, and this is the ellipse. This is a slot, and we have only one type of slot, right? Long, but here we have 5 types of slots. These are same only, guys, because it is showing that individually. There we just select the curve, the slot will form, but here we need to draw with the points, like see, and select the 2-point slot, just like we need to drag, start the point and give the end point, and then slot will be formed. And for the another slot, we have overall slot. Just for that we need to select just like a overall slot showing detail and slot. And guys, if you are not aware of how to use the tools, there is a pop-up window message will clearly shows how to use the tool. Okay, so this into the overall slot, and this is the center point slot. And see, which means like it is showing like a diameter how you work with. Okay, and for the other slot is 3-point slot, that is arc 1. Here we can see. So this is how to work with the slot, guys. This is the last one, also the same, and this is one spline. This control point spline, 5-point spline. That we are working with 5-point spline, control point line. Just like how to work with, as we have shown the tangents line, right? So in this way you can plot tangents. So that is how you can work with the tangent spline, the difference. Okay, don't get confused, just like the same, all tools are same. This is the conic curve, which we have the curves and the arc section should be separated. This is the point, and this is the text. For the text, you just need to drag the dimensions, and here are several type of fonts, more than they not sure. Okay, so these variable for now. So in this way you can do the dimensions, pipette, alignments, you can do whatever you want. Then this is the sketch wheel. Okay, even you can increase the graph, you can do like this. And this is the circle pattern. This is how you can do the patterns in that particular pattern. And project include, which means like as the project includes like a project B, and it's showing like project, the project edges with geometries. It's like an intersect tool, which we use the intersect tool to get the sketches. Okay, intersection curve, the project to surface. These are the other tools, guys, and these are dimensions. It gives you the automatic dimensions. This is the dimension tool, guys. Just like you see, we already have the dimension tool. Just like we are going to give the dimension of the figure, what are the sketch we added. Okay, and these are the modifying tools in sketch tools. That is like fillet, we know camper. Here we have to type campers, equal distance, and location, just like how the camper tool works. And this is the bend curve. Bend curve, what is the difference? Bend curve, it is used to going to bend according to the intersection to the curve. Let's say here, see, and I just sell the, you just need to sell the two curves. Based on the curves, it will create a joint curve to the both sketches. As for example, I want from this line to this line. This is the curves formed. Like this, you can use the blind curve. This is offset. You know how to use an offset tool. Just like we need to drag. Okay, but you can select so many as per you want. Just for selecting the multiple, you just need to click one. Even you can click select maybe. Okay, like this you can use the circle, and this is the trim, that is which is already in the top button. Trim and extend if you want to extend the curve, just like how you can extrude the other adjacent curve. Okay, this is the break if you want to break. These two are joint connected. This is the intersection point. There will the break will be formed. Okay, now these are two lines, not a single line. I think you might understand how to work with this. For example, this is a single span, right? But I want to break it. So how you can break it? Now see, both the two lines. If you want to break it, now there's the two lines. Like this, you can do intersection. You can break the lines as per you want. Sketch scale. This is like a transform tool which is available. You can make a point. Like this, you can sketch the points, sketch the curves, entire thing. You can change scale factor. Okay, just like increasing the sketch dimensions. And this is the move or copy. You can move the dimensions curve from one point to any point. Either you can select the all, just like a work with the filter. Either you can create the copy also. I hope you can see, right? This just like create a copy, then you can work with it. Just like how to work with the modify tools, and this is the parametric table. As if you are already aware about parametric table, which means you just need to give the already defined dimensions. So we are going to use that defined dimensions to the sketch. So it might be easy for making the parameterized model. Just like if we just change the expressions here, the whole model dimensions will be changed. Like this, you can work with the height. You might already have knowledge about it. And these are the constraint tools. There is one horizontal, coincident, tangent, equal, parallel, perpendicular, interfix, stool, midpoint, concentric, collinear, symmetry, curvature. Select objects of constraint type. So this curvature tool is used to mainly so it will show constraint to or more sketches. Okay. Now there's more the constraint. Here you can see I think it's possible. Let's select this one. Because it's considering as two sketches, right? That's how to work with this is symmetric. And you can drop out you can see several curvature button. Okay, collinear is possible because always select just escape it. If you want to deselect the tool, instead of tapping here, you just need to click the escape button. Then you can get out of from the tool. Okay, and these are the inspect, just like how to measure interference, the analysis. These are all analysis tools, guys. In the future tutorial, I will explain you in detail. And this is the images if you want to see. You can insert any type of images like a mesh, mentorship board. You can even insert to this. Okay, and these are self tools, just like a full form, paint. These are selection tool, guys. by explaining with the design tutorials, you can understand the how when we can use this extraordinary tools. Okay, and these are the options. Just you want to enable when you want to design with, or you can also deselect it. This is all total about on your wish. Okay, guys. If you want to talk to sketch, if you want. Okay, so that is how to work with the Fusion 360 uh, sketch tools of Fusion 360 CAD software. Okay, and if you want to finish with the sketch, just click on finish either here or either here. Both will be taking the same action. Just click on plane, and these are the sketch options. Now you can do the solid operation, that is what available. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to in the next video I'm going to explain this uh, solid tools with sketches we have drawn. Okay, and that's all about for today's video. I hope it may take long, but it will clearly understand easily, so don't worry about it. And thanks for watching, guys. I hope this series will make you understand how to use with the 360 also, and find it and like this video, and, and expecting growth from you. I hope your support will be there for me to continue with the series. And if you have any contents or any others, please don't feel uh, bad to reach out to me. Okay, you can reach out with my social media as well as for the YouTube comment box. I will answer you for the questions. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day.